Okay, so this is day 2 of NaNoWriMo, and it's been kind of a crazy day for me. Day 1, I waited till my kids were in bed, and it was probably, 8:30 at night before I started writing. I wrote for about an hour. I was able to meet my goal for the day. Now, again, my goal, I'm just trying to write about 4 pages of a movie script a day. I'm not trying to write the full, 1,666 words a day to meet the 50,000 mark, because I'm not writing a novel. I'm writing a movie script, which I plan on shooting in a couple of months. So today was kind of a crazy... Sorry. Today was a bit of a crazy day. We had a parade we went to this morning. My kids were in a play. We've been out of the house most of the day. So my tip for today is you've got to make time, especially on a weekend when maybe your schedule is different than normal. You have to make time to write. So I knew I was going to have a little bit block of time in the middle of the day. So even though we went out of the house and we did a bunch of things today, I took my laptop with me. When my kids were busy doing some stuff, I pulled out the laptop and I got a little bit of writing done. I was able to go back later and finish it. And so it's 3 o'clock and I've already written my 4 pages for the day. So overall, I'm about 1,600 words. I've written about 800 words a day, and I'm on page 9 of my movie script. So again, I know that's not the same pace as someone who's going for the novel, but it's enough for what my goals are. And it started with me just making a plan. Now, I know tonight I could sit down and write a little bit more, but that's part of the other part of doing this competition. Is more competition against yourself, is that you're not... You really have to pace yourself. There might be days when you could be like, great, I could write more than my goal, and maybe that works for you. But for me, if I start doing that, then that's going to make me think on another day I can pull back a little bit. And if I start pulling back and doing less than a day's worth of writing, that's when I'm going to get in trouble and not finish the competition. So even though I could write more, I'm pacing myself. I wrote a scene yesterday. I wrote a scene today. I'm going to write a scene tomorrow and the next day, and I'm just going to keep going like that. So I hope this is useful. If you're doing NaNoWriMo, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how it's going for you. If you've got questions or comments about what I'm doing, please let me know. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.